Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going into the world of budget-friendly laptops, and we've got a terrific selection for you. Whether you're a student, a professional on the run, or simply searching for a dependable laptop without breaking the budget, we've got you covered. Here are the top 5 best affordable laptops for 2024. Let's start. Okay. First on our list is the Acer 2023 newest Aspire 5 Slim laptop. Let's discuss about what makes this laptop stand out. This laptop features a strong AMD Ryzen Quad-Core Processor that can reach 3.50 GHz. This means it can multitask effortlessly. Whether you're running many programs or have a lot of browser tabs open, the 20 GB RAM keeps everything running smoothly. Plus, the 1 TB SSD storage offers not just ample space, but also faster boot up and data transfer speeds. No more waiting for your laptop to start up. It also has a 15.6 Full HD anti-glare widescreen IPS display that is pleasing to the eye. The color fidelity is acceptable, and it's ideal for seeing images, watching movies, or even playing games. The AMD Radeon Vega 6. Mobile graphics improves your visual experience, making it entertaining in a variety of lighting settings. One of my favorite features is the lighted keyboard. It's extremely useful while working late at night or in dimly lit situations. The presence of a numpad is a benefit, especially for individuals who frequently deal with spreadsheets. And don't forget the fingerprint reader. It's a lifesaver. You can log in fast and securely with a single click, providing an additional degree of convenience and security. Moving on to our next pick, we have the Samsung Galaxy Chromebook 2. This sleek and powerful Chromebook is ideal for anybody who prioritizes both performance and design. This one features the most recent Intel Core CPU, delivering lightning-fast performance for all of your work. This Chromebook can do anything, including working, learning, and resting. Plus, it features Wi-Fi 6E+, which is up to 3x faster than standard Wi-Fi. This translates to better streaming, quicker downloads, and overall seamless experience. It boasts an ultra-thin, elegant design. It's small and ready to create an impression wherever you go, and its elegant design and lightweight construction make it portable and sure to draw attention. It's an ideal balance of form and function. Battery life is critical, and the Galaxy Chromebook 2 does not disappoint. It has an all-day battery, allowing you to stay connected on the road without continually hunting for a power source. Whether you're tackling your to-do list or relaxing, this Chromebook keeps up with your needs. Up next, we have the Acer Nitro 5, a powerhouse in the budget gaming laptop category. Let's explore why this laptop is a top pick for gamers. The Acer Nitro 5's 12th generation Intel Core i5 CPU provides exceptional performance, making it ideal for both leisure and competitive gaming. This CPU guarantees that you may play demanding games and multitask without experiencing any latency. This laptop's standout feature is the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3050 Ti graphics card, which has 4 GB of dedicated GDDR6 VRAM. Plus, the GPU has revolutionary ray tracing cores, tensor cores, and streaming multiprocessors, which result in amazing visuals and smooth, responsive gameplay. The support for DirectX 12 Ultimate improves the overall game experience. It has a 15.6 Full HD IPS display that produces sharp and vibrant images. The 144 Hz refresh rate provides a smooth and fluid gaming experience, making it suitable for high-speed games where every frame matters. With 16 GB of DDR4 3200 MHz RAM that can be expanded up to 32 GB and a 512 GB PCIe Gen 4 SSD, this laptop provides both speed and capacity. Besides, it also features 2 PCIe M.2 ports and a 2.5 hard drive bay, allowing you to expand your storage capacity. If you're searching for a versatile tablet that can serve numerous functions, the Lenovo Yoga 6 2-in-1 is an excellent option. This laptop's AMD Ryzen 5 7530U CPU anticipates your demands with machine intelligence, surpasses the Intel i7-1165G7, and provides genuine responsiveness with 6 cores and 12 threads. When combined with AMD Radeon graphics, it guarantees consistent visual quality for movies, simple photo editing, and casual gaming. The 13.3 inches WUXGA touchscreen is a standout. A 10-point multi-touch screen allows you to comfortably touch, click, and swipe while taking full use of Windows 11. While the 1920x1200 resolution delivers outstanding color and clarity, and IPS technology enables for wide viewing angles. The energy-saving LED lighting improves the overall viewing experience. The Yoga 6 has a 360-degree flip and fold design and 4 different modes: laptop, tablet, tent, and stand. And this design is ideal for shifting between jobs. Lenovo Transition automatically transforms certain programs to full-screen mode, making them easier to operate. AMD Radeon graphics allows you to smoothly stream video and play your favorite games. This laptop delivers exceptional performance for creation, gaming, and entertainment, all while being small and lightweight. Rounding out our list, we have the HP 17CN000-3DX, a fantastic choice for those who need a large-screen laptop. The HP 17 HD Plus laptop's most recent upgrade in 2023 is powered by an Intel Core i3-1125G4 quad-core CPU, providing dependable performance for daily tasks, like as working, studying, or simply surfing the web. With a huge 32 GB of RAM, this laptop handles multitasking with ease, assuring smooth performance even when numerous apps are running concurrently. The 1TB SSD provides enough of storage capacity for all of your files, movies, and applications, as well as speedy boot up and data access. And the 17.3 HD Plus display provides a wide-ranging viewing experience with exceptional clarity and rich colors, making it ideal for work, leisure, and everything in between. The greater screen real estate is especially beneficial for people who work in many windows or want more information in their tasks. This laptop also has several connectivity choices, including a camera for video chats, Wi-Fi for wireless internet access, HDMI and USB-C ports for attaching external devices, and Bluetooth for wireless peripherals. Plus, the fast charge feature is a lifesaver, allowing you to quickly recharge and stay productive on the go.
Thanks for watching. If you liked what you saw, then hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you loved it. Take a moment to hit the bell icon so you'll get notified of all our new latest uploads.